Another windy day in Rochester. Well, it's just spring. It snowed here. Ugh, I don't want the snow. Thought those were behind us, but anyway, it is 11:59. I decided to come out at noon and let's see what we hear. My brother's over there recording. Let's see what we get. Not sure we'll get much. Probably just an STH-10. STH-10. And I think it's a 2904 as well. Oh! There goes the Whelen. Can't really hear it at all from my house, but you're able to faintly hear that. Now, let's just wait and see what we get. We got the Whelen. Oh, there it goes. There you go. I'll see you guys in the next video.